In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Nice to meet you, my kids, my parents. Still with mathematics for primary 3 second term, academic year 2026. Let's start our session. Today, inshallah, we get some parts of our session about chapter 8 and chapter 9. Let's finish chapter 8 about lesson 9 that talks about application on fractions. And start with the first lesson with chapter 9. Lesson 1 representing fraction on number line. Finally, we'll get some quiz about weekly assessment. If you're still ready with me, let's go. Lesson 9, chapter, first part of our lesson, lesson 9. At the end of chapter 8 talks about application on fraction. Let's start. Yes, application on fraction. Let's get one by. First one. If we have two parts of chocolate, they are the same in size. Divide the left one into 3 parts, the right one into 5 parts. Now I shed one of them, I get one piece of 3 and one piece of 5. On the left we can see 3 parts, we shed one of them, it's represent third, 1/3. So this what? 1/3 of chocolate bar. On the right, 1/5. You can compare between each part. Which one is bigger? 1/3 or 1/5? The two chocolate bars are the same size. Now, which part you can differentiate easily between third and fifth? Yeah, it's easy to get 1/3 is bigger than 1/5. 1/3 on the left is bigger than 1/5 on the right. Say 1/3 versus 1/5. Down you can see another shape of chocolate or cake. 1/3 to 1/5. You can see 1/3 is bigger. Yes, 1/3 versus 1/5. 1/3 is bigger. Let's click on 1/3. 1/3 is bigger. Yeah, we got the right answer. 1/3 is bigger than 1/5. Yes. Now we have two cakes. On the left, you can see 1/8. On the right, you can see 1/7. It's easy to differentiate between them. Which part is bigger? 8th or 7th? Which part you prefer to get? If you have two pieces of cake, one of them represents 8th and the other represents 7th. Which part you prefer? It's easy. I'll get 7. Why 7? Because 7 is bigger than 8th. 7th is bigger than 8th. So I prefer the right part. Why? It's bigger. So 7th is bigger. Yes. 7th is bigger than 8th. Next. On the left, 1/4. On the right, 1/6. Now when you can see inside circles, 1/4 and 1/6. Okay, if you have two pieces of pizza, one of them 4, the other is 6. Which one you will get? Yes, I am so hungry. So I'll get what? I'll get 1/4. Why 1/4 is bigger? 1/4 is bigger. You can see 1/4 on the bar bigger than 1/6 on the other bar. Inside this circular shape, 1/4 bigger than 1/6. Yes. If you're hungry, you can get 1/4. Okay, so I'll get 1/4. Yes, 1/4 is bigger. Which is bigger, half or 4th of the same cookie? On the left, you can see 1/2. On the right, you can see 1/4. Okay, which is bigger, 1/2 or 1/4? Which one do you prefer to get? Half or 4th? Yes, I prefer half. Why? Half is bigger. So just click on half. Half is bigger. Yes. 1/2 is bigger than 1/4. Which is bigger, 6th or 3rd of the same apple? Okay. If we have an apple, I divide it into parts. One of them is 1/3 of it, the other is 1/6 of it. Which one you prefer? Which one you will get? Oh, apple is delicious. Yes, so I prefer to get 1/3. Why? I wanted to eat apples. So I'll get 1/3. 1/3 is bigger, 1/6. 1/3, you can see. 1/3. 1/3 is bigger. 1/3 is bigger. Inside circle, inside bars. This is 1/6. 1/6 is smaller. I don't like it. I need bigger bar. So I'll get 1/3. Yes, 1/3 is bigger. Wow, watermelon. Green, out. Part is green, the inner part is red. Yes, it's sweetie top. Which is bigger, ninth or fifth of the same watermelon? Watermelon, delicious fruit. Yes, 1/9, 1/5. If you like watermelon, you will get 1/5. 1/5 is bigger. You can see, ninth is a small part, but this one is bigger than 1/9. Look down inside because you can see ninth small, fifth is bigger. Yes, fifth is bigger than. I like to get 1/5. Yes. Are we still with fruits? If you have two orange, one of them divided into 10 equal parts, and we'll get a slice of them. It will represent 1/10. On the right, you can see the same or similar orange, but I divided it into equal 4 parts. In this one, I'll get 1/4, but this one 1/10. You can differentiate easily between 1/10 and 1/4. 1/4 is bigger. 1/4 is bigger inside bars, inside circles. So 1/4 is bigger. 1/4 of orange is bigger than 1/10 of it. 1/4 is bigger. Yes, let's travel to another question. So which is bigger, 1/2 or 1/8? You can see this on the right. I'll divide bread into two equal parts. Each part represents half. On the right, I'll divide the same bread into 8 parts. Each part represents eighth. So you can see which part is bigger, 1/2 or 1/8. Yeah, 1/2 is bigger. Bye. Yes, bye. Okay. Which is bigger, 1/3 or 1/6 of the same pie? 1/3 on the left, 1/6 on the right. It's easy to get which one is bigger, which part, 1/3, 1/6. You can compare between using models. Yes, 1/3 is bigger. It's easy to get it. 1/3 is bigger. Mango. What delicious fruit. So we have 2 parts of mango. One part is fifth, the other part is half. If you like mango, it's easy to get the best part. Best part is half. Why half? Half is bigger. You can see this half, this is fifth. Half is bigger. So I'd like to get 1/2. 1/2 is bigger. Mango, sweet fruit. Yes, I'll get, yeah. Okay, let's see the result. Oh, amazing. Our school is 10 of 10. It's enough. I don't like to play again because I am full of fruit. This is the last of chapter 8, applications on fraction. You can use fraction inside your life during using fruits, vegetables, uh, anything around you. You can divide into parts. Each part represents a fraction. Let's get this simple, funny game. Yeah. On the left, let's explore fractions. Look at this shape, this graph, which circle shows the same shaded part. So in our circle, we shade fourth of it. Look down, which circle represent the fourth, like this one, which circle shows the same shaded amount. Same shaded amount. This is not similar to that one. This is no. Yeah, letter C. Letter C, fourth. Our sequel is 42. So let's click 1/4. Yes, we got a star. Next, which circle shows the same shaded amount? I need to choose a circle of them. Looks like that one. This one? No. That? No. No. Yes, this one. This one. Match. This one matches with this with that one. Yes. Let's click. Yeah, half and half. The same. Which circle has 3 out of 4? Looks like that one. It's easy to get it. Which one matches with that one? Yes, letter A matches. The pink circle, that one we have, has one part shaded. Which circle shows the unshaded part? We have one part. So let's choose. The circle shows unshaded part. Okay, which one? Just try. Read the question carefully. This is unshaded part. One part, unshaded part. That one? Yes, that one. Why this one is right? This is with shaded part. This is with unshaded part. With a shaded part, with unshaded part. Yes? You should read a question carefully. If you read it carefully, you will fall in mistakes. So, which sequence has only 1 out of 3? Okay? Equals part shaded. Which one? Which one? 1 of 3. This is 1 of 4, 2 of 3, 3 of 3. But that one, 1 of 3. That's right. Like this one. 1/3, 1/3. Okay. Look at both sequels. Sequel A, sequel B. Which sequel has more shaded? Sequel A or sequel B? Sequel A, 1 part of 4. Sequel B, 3 parts. Okay? Which one? 1 part or 3 parts? 3 parts. Sequel B, 3 parts, while sequel A, 1 part. The pizza is cut into 8 equal slices. Okay, Sam, 8 the shaded slice. That means 8, 1, 2, 2, 8, 3 parts of 8. Okay, which sequel matches with the same? Sequel A, sequel B, sequel C, or sequel D? 3 parts of 8. That one matches. Which two sequels together fill the hole? So for sequel A, we need to fill 3 parts. For sequel B, we need 1 part. So we need 3 and 1. 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Which one? Yes, that's one. 3 and 1. Which sequel shows the same shaded amount as the pink one? That we need what? We need to, yes, this is a half of a sequel. We need to get a half. Which sequel represent half? A, B, C, or D? Yes, P represents half of a sequel. Which sequel has more than half? You can see which one more than this shaded part. Same, less. This one is more. Yeah, we got all. Now let's bring fraction on the number line. First lesson in chapter 9, representing fractions on number line. If I need to represent 2/3 on the number line, let's draw number line. According to fraction, let's divide it, let's split it. Okay, first we draw the number line from 0 to 1. Next, divide into 3 equal parts. 0/3, 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. one part, and another part. So we have three parts. We have 3/3. Okay. We need to represent what? 2/3. So let's draw a dot, a small circle on 2/3. Another example, we need to represent what? 3/4. That means we should draw a line, split this line into 4 parts, write the fraction on the number line 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. 4/4 mean one that we get before. 1 whole equals 2 halves, 3/3, 4/4, and so on. Draw a number line. Yeah, divide it into four equal parts. Each part represents fourth. I need to place what? 3/4. Now you can do it alone. 2/5. I need to represent 2/5 on the number line. It's easy by using some steps. First one, draw a number line. Second one, split this number into 5 equal parts. Write the fraction on it. 0/5, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and the 5/5 that equals 1. It's easy now for you. Let's draw a number line. Divide it into 5 equal parts. I need to, yes, place what? 2/5. It's easy now. Let's place 2/5. Yes, this point represents 2/5. Yes, the next one, I need to represent 5/6 on the number line. The problem becomes easy for you now. First step, draw a number line from 0 to 1. Yes, it's easy now. I need to what? To place 5/6 that point. Yes, the point shows the location of what? 5/6. This point is 5/6. If I asked you to place 1/6, you can draw a dot here, 2/6 here, 3/6, 4/6, and so on. By the same way, I need to represent 4/7 on the number line. You should follow the rules. Draw a number line, divide it into parts according to the fraction, place the point. Yes, 4/7. Next example, I need to represent 7/8. By the same way, draw a number line, split this number line into parts according to the denominator, place the point. First step, divide into parts, place the point. Great. I represent 5/9. Draw a number line, divide into parts, place the point. Yes. 3/10. Draw a number line, divide into parts, place 3/10 this point. Yes. 9/10. Draw a number line, divide into parts. Yes, 9/10. Okay, the same. First one, 2 parts, 1/2. Now, with the assessment for this week, you can get the exercise. We have 3 models. Each model consists of 5 problems. Let's answer them together. Let's start with model A. 8 items, 8 objects, 8 box, 8 anything around you. 8 items are divided into 4 groups. Okay, how many items are in each 4 or in each group? 8 into 4. 8 divided by 4. This is the meaning of this problem. Okay, 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 equals, easy, 8 divided by 4 equals, yes, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Third of a number, third of 18. That's mean what? We got it before. Third of a number means this number divided by 3. So third of 18 equals 18 divided by 3. Third of a number means this number divided by 3. So 18 divided by 3 equals 3, 6, 9, or 12. Yes, the answer must be 6. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Third of 18 equals 6. That's right. Yeah. We have a number line. This number line splits into 6 equal parts. 1 part, 2 parts, 3, and so, okay? So this part represents what? A candy bar is divided equally among 6 friends. Okay? So I need to get each friend share. So the part that a friend get. Okay? A candy, a chocolate bar, a cookie, a cake is divided equally among 6 friends, which fraction of the number line represent one friend's share. Okay? One friend's share. So it's easy to get. The share of each one will be what? Will be 1/6. Next. A teacher has 15 pencils. A teacher has 15 pencils. She gives fifth of them. Total number of pencils, 15. A teacher gives fifth of them. By another way, I can say, can you get fifth of 15? What is the fifth of 15? This is the meaning of this problem. Okay, a teacher distributes a fifth of the total number of pencils that equals 15 pencils. Okay, how many pencils did did she give? You can understand this question by what is the fifth of 15? So the fifth of 15 means 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5, yeah, it's easy to get it. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So the teacher gives students 3 pencils. Fifth of 15 equals 3. Why? 15 divided by 5 equals 3. You should know when I ask you to the fraction of a number, you should divide this number by the denominator of unit fraction. Amar spent what? A half an hour. You should know an hour equals 60 minutes. Yeah, an hour equals 60 minutes. So Ahmed spent half an hour taking a shower. How many minutes did he spend? So my advice for you, you should take a short shower to save water. Water equal life. Take a half hour too much time. Okay, my kid, we should save our water. We should keep our Nile River. So you should take a short time, a short shower. Yes, half hour is too much time for you. But in our problem, Ahmed is spent. So Ahmed is not right to take a half hour to take shower. Yes. So anyway, we should answer this question. Half of an hour, it will be 30 minutes. Why 30 minutes? Because 60 divided by 2 equals 30. If we divide 60 into 2 equal parts, each part represent or equals 30 minutes. Okay? 5 minutes enough, 10 minutes enough, but 30 minutes too much time. Yes, we finished the model A with what? With 5 of 5. 5 of 5. Now let's get model B. First one of model B, 24 counting items are divided, are shared, are distributed into 8. Okay, you can see 8 equal groups, 8 equal parts, 8 friends, and so on. So each part equals, each eighth equals. I can convert this question as what is the eighth of 24? okay, or 8th of 24 equals, or 24 divided by 8 equals. Many items have the same meaning of this problem. 24 is divided by 8. 24 items are shared among 8 equal friends, equal crops, and so on. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. That's right. Next, the same. You can see all models are the same. This point represent what? A chocolate bar was divided equally among 8 children. That's mean if you have a bar, if you have a piece of wood, you can split it, you can divide it into 8 equal parts. So each part represent what? Represent 1/8, like model A, model B, and the model C. You can see all the same. Divide, okay, they are the same. 24 divided by 8 equals 3, and so on. It's enough at this part. I have something funny for you. Okay, so my kids, by the end of our sessions, we studied two parts. How to represent a fraction on the number line, and we got some problems inside our life relative to fractions. By the end, you should know everything around you easy if you start to get it. Everything, inshallah, will be in your hand. Just to try to catch it. Finally, I hope to get fun time with me. I hope to study hard. Nice to meet you. See you later, inshallah. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.